Namaskaram. In Vinyasa practice, Ujjayi breathe is a technique used to facilitate deep and slow breathing. There is a distinction between Ujjayi breathe and Ujjayi pranayama. Ancient Hatha yogis have described Ujjayi pranayama in various ways in their texts. Ujjayi breathe involves partially closing the windpipe with the glottis, which results in a deep and controlled breath. The sound produced during Ujjayi breathing resembles the ocean, which is why it's sometimes referred to as the ocean breath. Imagine that when you partially constrict the airflow during exhalation, it's like pouring water from a bottle with a smaller exit. This distinction slows down the breath and encourages the mindfulness. In Vinyasa practice, the focus is on synchronizing the movements with the breath. Making Ujjayi breath is a crucial element in maintaining that rhythm. Ujjayi breath also generates friction in the glottis, which is why it sounds like the wave of the ocean. This friction, along with the deep breathing, can generate heat in the body. This heat is beneficial as it thins the blood, making it easier to circulate in the body. One of the notable aspects of Ujjayi breath is that it allows for deep breathing while keeping the core stable. This stability is crucial in various exercises and postures. Have a good day. Namaskaram. Ujjayi breath is a variable technique in Ashtanga Vinyasa Yoga, aiding in controlled deep breathing, generating internal heat, and maintaining core stability while helping in concentration and mindfulness. Interestingly, these historical roots of Ujjayi breath trace back to its origin, where Ujjayi comes from the word Ujju, means friction, and also have other meaning is vigor. In Mahabharata, Lord Krishna's army, there was a troop known as the Narayana Sena, utilized this vigorous breath technique as their secret weapon on the battlefield. They would stand at the forefront, breathing vigorously, and it is said that their breath had the power to ignite the fire. Even today, you can witness this heat generated within a yoga studio during an hour of proper Ashtanga practice. That's the power of Ujjayi breath. Namaskaram. Ujjayi is a vital breath in Ashtanga practice. Let's learn how to do it. Please watch last two videos for introduction to Ujjayi. We have two techniques for it. It may seem unconventional, but they are effective. The first one is similar to exhaling near a window and writing something as we did when we were kids. Similarly, we do this with a closed mouth. The second technique involves trying to create a bubble in a mouth with saliva and practicing breathing through the nose, ensuring that the bubble doesn't break. Try these two techniques with patience and comment your progress. Have a good day.